So this class is called Evolution and Diversity, and it's a class that looks at the study of evolution, biodiversity, and ecology. And so we have incorporated this course-based undergraduate research experience into the course, and we're basically have a research project to look at biodiversity in West Central Indiana woods, and we're using the Hulman Farm property for that purpose. It's a 100-level course, so it's taken by biology majors as well as junior biomedical engineering majors, a lot of biochemistry majors and biomath majors. Let's get in there, as well as a lot of it take it as a science elective. The first week we looked and set up traps to look for insects, and different teams came and collected the insects for a week. And the next week we looked at birds, and I had set up bird feeders to try to attract some birds to the area so we could observe and see what species were present. We've also looked at the herbaceous plants and kind of set up a little transect along the line, and they took pictures and tried to identify all the species that were in little 1 meter by 1 meter squares. And then we also looked at trees along a transect as well. And then we had a whole week that was other species we hadn't looked at yet. And there were a lot of fungi out there that they got pictures of, some mosses. And they create these biodiversity maps using the whiteboard app. And so they put all their species and how many they saw of each species, and estimate if they have to, and then try to put its common name as well as scientific name on there, and then put them as groups. And so they actually have this big biodiversity map at the end of the term. I think what's good is this students, especially the ones who may not be majoring in science, kind of get the real research. And research outdoors is something that I think that they all are enjoying, being out in the woods and just looking to see what's there. We're kind of excited because as we develop this property, we could actually see the impact of human impact if we do this long-term study of the activities we choose to do as we develop here on the ecosystem and the species that live in it. I think this can be our research site for a long while. Not only my class, the evolution and diversity class, but ecology classes and the plant biology classes, they can all use this space as well.